This Chinese-Korean spicy garlic shrimp spaghetti is another sensational combo that you have to try. You can taste the chewy texture of the noodles along with the spicy, creamy, garlicky flavors and a mouthful bite of bouncy shrimp. You can always get the full recipe on my blog, cookcookgo.com, and the link is in the description below. First, you will need 12 to 14 large shrimp that are peeled and deveined with tail shell on. And set this aside. Now let's make the spicy garlic butter sauce. In a frying pan on medium heat, adding 70 grams of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The combination of butter and olive oil makes a really creamy texture. Let the butter melt slowly. Before the butter is fully melted, adding 6 large, finely chopped garlic cloves. Gently stir well until fragrant and the butter will continue to finish melting. In this way, your garlic will not get brown. Next, adding 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Continue to stir well. Turn the heat down for a little bit and you don't want the butter is bubbling too much. Now add some Chinese touch, adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Next, let's have some Korean touch, adding 1 tablespoon of 𝐞𝐞𝐤, Korean spicy sauce. Simmer and combine well for 1 to 2 minutes. You will see that the magic is happening and you will get this thick, spicy, creamy, and garlicky flavor sauce. Then turn the heat off and set this aside. Next, in another frying pan, adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Then adding the shrimp one at a time. Cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes until nicely pink and cook through. I always like to keep the tail shell on for the shrimp because then you will get a really nice and cute shape. Then sprinkle pinches of salt and pinches of black pepper on top. Continue to stir well. Now the shrimp is ready. Turn the heat off, transfer the shrimp to a bowl and set them aside. Next, we are going to cook the spaghetti noodles. Boil a pot of water, then generously adding some salt. It's important that you always cook the pasta in the salty water. Cook the spaghetti for 7 to 9 minutes until al dente according to the package instruction. And the spaghetti will be cooked again with the spicy garlic butter sauce. Once cooked, remove from heat immediately. Next, we need to reheat the spicy garlic butter sauce on medium-high heat. Continue to stir until the sauce starts bubbling. Once bubbling, adding the cooked spaghetti noodles directly into the pan. And remember to keep some of the pasta cooking water. Cook and stir the sauce and the spaghetti for about 2 minutes until everything is well combined. The sauce will get thicker and looks glossy. Then adding some pasta water. The pasta water will help you to get the right consistency for your taste. Then adding the cooked shrimp. Gently stir well. It looks and smells amazing. Then adding 3 finely chopped green onions. Gently combine everything well. I like that the green onions add a really nice green color to this dish. If you find the sauce is too thick, adding more pasta water and keep adjusting. Look how glossy and colorful this spicy shrimp spaghetti is. It is ready to serve. Place the spaghetti on a serving plate. I always think that the presentation of a dish is really important. Don't you agree? Now garnish with more chopped green onions. and some grated Parmesan cheese. Ready to enjoy! This spicy garlic shrimp spaghetti is a wonderful Chinese-Korean fusion. It has incredible texture and flavors along with bouncy bites of shrimp. I hope you can give it a try. It is simple and quick for a night alone, or with a friend and with some wine, or share this with a larger group. Why don't you try this tonight? If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!